m raised to power 2 minus m raised to power 3 equals to 150. And we are asked to solve. For us to solve this, we can write this as m raised to power 2 minus m raised to power 3 equals to, we can write 150 as 125 plus 25. So we can have something like this. M raised to power 2 minus m raised to power 3 equals to 25. 125 can be written as 5 raised to power 3 plus 25 can be written as 5 raised to power 2. So m raised to power 2 minus m raised to power 3. We call it like term here. We are going to have minus 5 raised to power 3 minus 5 raised to power 2 equals to 0. So we can have something like this now. M raised to power 2 minus 5 raised to power 2. We bracket it. Then minus m raised to power 3 plus 5 raised to power 3 equals to 0. Because if you open this bracket, you're going to have this. But recall that a square plus minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b, and a cube plus b cube equals a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So if we apply it here, we can write this as m plus 5 m minus 5 minus m plus 5 here for this particular one, because a now represents m and b represents 5, into m square minus 5 times m, 5m, then 5 raised to power 2, which is plus 25. We're going to have 25. So if we go by that, we're going to have m plus 5 is common to both. So we're going to have m plus 5 is common, open bracket, m minus 5, then minus what we have here is m square minus 5m plus 25, close bracket. That is all we have. Now we can write equals to 0, all of them equals to 0. So since we have that, we can collect like them now, have m plus 5 into m minus 5 minus m square minus m square minus m square plus 5m minus 25. We are opening this bracket and write equals to 0. So what we are going to have now is, we're going to have m square or m plus 5 into, if we call it like term now, we're going to have m square minus m square, that's what we're going to have, plus 5m m plus m here, we're going to have 5m, then minus 30 equals to 0. So the first one will now be m plus 5 equals to 0, implying that m equals to minus 5. The next equation will now be, here is 6. The next equation will now be plus the 6. The next equation will now be minus m squared plus 6m minus 30, this equals to 0. So we are now to solve this equation now. So if we are solving it, we can use the quadratic equation formula, or we can rewrite this as m squared minus 6m plus 30 equals to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Here a equals to 1, b equals to minus 6, c equals to 30. So if we apply the quadratic equation formula now, m equals to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So if we apply that, we're going to have now m equals minus 6, because b is minus 6, plus or minus root of minus 6 square, because b is minus 6, minus 4 times a is 1 times c is 30 divided by 2a. 2 times 1 is 2. So what are we going to have here? We're going to have m equals to 6 plus or minus root of 36 minus root of 36 minus 4 times 30 is 120 all over 2. So that is what we have. Now since we have that result, we can have this as, since we have this result, we can have this as something like this now. M equals to this 6 divided by 2, we have 3 plus or minus root of 36 minus this minus 120 will give us minus 84. Minus 84. So m become minus 3 plus or minus root of 1 times root of 84. So m become minus 3 plus or minus root of 1 is I, so we can put I here from complex number, times 84 can be expressed as root of 4 times 21. So m equals to minus 3 plus or minus I times root of 4 is 2 root 21. So m equals to minus 3, sorry, not minus 3, m equals to 3 plus or minus 2i root 21. So the first solution will now be, we can have here m1 equals to 3, pick the first one, plus 2i root 21. m2 will be 3 minus 2i root 21. Then m3 will be the first solution that we have, which was m equals to minus 5. We solved and we got minus 5. So these are the solutions to the equation. Thank you for watching, and do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.